Nahuli siya ng ating Supreme Court ngayong hapon.
Well, that will count, and that's a basket and one.
Performers rather, as we saw a young pound-for-pound fitness foul counted for Nigel Dalimocon. And
Sanchez with the ball.
wow.
Basket and one once again para dito sa Las Piñas.
For that basketball, another pound-for-pound fitness foul counted para kay Nigel Dalimocon.
Earning. Dalimocon makes that.
Magpa-foul in the succeeding possession.
Andun yung hype no, Diego? Kapag ka nakagawa ka ng isang magandang play, regardless of 2 or 3.
Yan na naman si Dalimocon.
As we were saying.
With that nose for the basketball. 1, 2 times. As we are down to the last 4 minutes ng ating first quarter.
Batangas Philippine. Oo, medyo na dala ng hype again. Pero may sagot ulit si Dalimocon and that's a back-to-back 2-pointer.
Wow.
Para dito sa Las Piñas.
That instant replay, that steal by Nigel Dalimocon. Going straight through at nakahuli na naman ng foul kontra sa Batangas to get a leg up dito sa ating 14 and under division. Itong Batangas nga, they don't want to be in the possession they're in. 9th, 10th, or even 8th kasi mahirap yung kanilang tatahakin entering the playoff round. Not only do they have to win.
Piñas and Batangas. Las Piñas currently has 11-point lead during the end of the first quarter. Once again, this is John Ocampo joined by our analyst Diego de la Paz, and for our court side, we have CJ and
percent from the field, Batangas 35%. Neither team making their 3-point shot so far.
Pero naiangat talaga ni Dalimocon, and as I'm saying, itong si Dalimocon gumagawa na
wow
para sa Las Piñas. Take a look at this replay.
Yun naman, parang parang ginordan niya in.
Dalimocon.
Oh, yan.
Nice play.
Nigel Dalimocon with the finish. You see Cads, facilitating for that putback shot para kay Davin Dotig.
Finally, para dito kay Dalimocon, that 2-pointer worked.
Nigel Dalimocon open, as you see. One more time. Yun na nga. Yung defender ni Dalimocon nag-help out. Yan si Dotig.
Exactly, that's I guess the closest they've been kontra dito sa Las Piñas was the mga tie nila na score kanina.